Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so much good. Today I have a fantastic DIY home remedy for those tired and puffy eyes. I'll be using the magic of rose water to rejuvenate and refresh your eyes. Before we dive into the remedy, let's talk about the benefits of rose water for your skin. It's natural, it's gentle and packed with antioxidants that help soothe and nourish your delicate eye area. Now, let's talk about what will be the ingredients that we will need for making this remedy successful. So, one by one, I am going to tell you that first is rose water, which is must and most important one in this remedy. Second is this bowl. Even you can have a container or a small bowl. And along with this, you'll need a cotton. You can take cotton pad or cotton balls.
First, pour some rose water into your small bowl or container. It's best if it's chilled in the refrigerator for an extra soothing effect. Next, take your cotton pad, ball or normal cotton and soak them in the chilled rose water. Make sure they are nicely saturated. Now, gently place the soaked cotton over your closed eyes. You can lie down and relax for 10 to 15 minutes while the rose water works its magic.
As you relax, remember that rose water helps reduce puffiness, soothes irritation, and helps to give your eyes a refreshing boost. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove that cotton ball, cotton pad or a normal cotton which you have put on your eyes. So remove that and instantly you can see that you will be feeling refreshed and also there will be less puffiness on your eyes. So if you like my video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel, and I will be keep coming back with more such kind of videos. And one thing more, it's like a mini spa treatment at home. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Meet you in the next one. Take care.